Somebody steal it. Somebody in it. Shoot it.
So, it's time for an oil change for the GTO. So, the passenger turbo is starting to smoke just a little bit. And I actually have the fees just teed from this turbo to that turbo. So, it's kind of due for an oil change. Yeah, it's probably, I think I changed like every 1,000 miles on this car. I run 20 W50 in it, so it's a little bit thick, but when I drained my catch can after LS Fest, it was black. Normally it's just a little bit milky with the 85. So we can go to Wally World. I really actually have 5 quarts already, so I just only need 1 more quart and then an oil filter, and then just got to grab like other couple things from there. And then I took the switch panel apart on this last night. The ignition on this is a little touchy, which Tim told me you kind of have to hold your fingers right. So I've got this panel down right now. I don't know if you can see. This giant is the ignition button that you have to press, and it's just really finicky. So I ordered one of these last night. It'll be in a couple days, so I'll probably just reattach this for now for the time being, but I don't really know where all these wires go to. But this is the first ignition, and then this is how you roll the motor, and then you have to flip the ignition. Or no, you have to flip this second ignition down here. So they got a lot of kind of stuff jumped through, but that'll be for another day. But for today, we're just going to change the oil on that. Probably need to wash this. I for sure need to wash my truck because I plan to sell it. So, and then we need to take the hood off this and really figure out a way to brace that radiator. I know the radiator that's in this, Tim just kind of threw it in there for the barbecue. He had the water pump had exploded, and just so you know, this hole in the hood, I thought it was me, but it wasn't. He said this right here was from when the water pump exploded and came apart. It hurt his heart because I know he sourced all these original stickers from like '87 for when it was on the actual Monte Carlo that Dale had. But we'll take this hood off. Hopefully my buddy Blake can stop by, because I think Blake and I are going to try to weld something together. If not, I might just wing it. I mean, essentially it's just a dirt car, so if it works, it works. I just need to brace the radiator, that way when I'm driving down the road and it's kind of bumpy, it doesn't mess up. But let's hop in the truck and go get some oil. All right, so I always do that. I always say all right. I always start with that. We are at Walmart now. I only need 1 quart of oil. I need to get a Wix filter. Walmart is just generally the cheapest place to get that kind of oil, especially at the quantity that I get it. But luckily I had 5 quarts already on the shelf. Dude, I like that body style. It's like a GT. Kind of cool. It's like a mini Supra. If only it had a cool motor in it.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Gotta get oil. I'm gonna get some bones for my dogs, and then a box fan, just because I need to upgrade my box fans. Here we are at Walmart. I remember this right here. I had this one, but it was a different color. But look, it's got a GTO on it. It's kind of cool. That one's a 67. Yeah, we're grown, but I have grown adult money now, so I still look at Hot Wheels. I like to make the garage look cool. See anything you like? Dude, these cars are so much cooler than they were like when I was a little kid. Like, look at this. Like Porsche and the 240Z and a Supra. This is cool. All right, let's go look for it.
Ooh, yeah, I do see something I like.
Oh yeah.
I've been looking for these on Facebook Marketplace.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Buddy Reggie came by his truck. Man, you got stickers on the front of your truck. So you got to place that fog light. I thought you had no help. It's easy to do on this side. My hands be on the other side. So my frame stuff just have some help. You got myself in. He got a lot of stickers.
Oh.
He got 1320 stickers. He's got Street Racing Channel. What's the white truck? That was Street Racing Channel too, wasn't it?
No, this was
Billy the Kid?
No, either was theirs or it's one of theirs. It's one of them two.
It wasn't 1320s.
Shoot.
Is that blue vet Billy's?
No, this was 1320, 13. Yeah, that's 13. This 13, and this Billy.
No, the vet's not 13. They didn't have a cow hood on theirs.
It is Billy's.
That is Billy's.
That's the one they did.
That white truck was Billy's too, because it had the 418 and it was turbo.
Yeah. They had some.
Here you go with stickers, so we're gonna get it. Some stickers. My car and Willie's car there. So here you go. Here, I'll hold them for you. Today's Kyle Loftus' birthday.
For real?
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
You
man.
wanna fold your you wanna fold this up so you can get in there? Probably be easier. Stay hydrated. Have your pickle juice.
What's up, y'all? So you got GoodTimeCharlie. You got Flashy Motorsports in the building, baby.
Yeah,
Always.
that's what he always does. Flashy motorsports on everything.
Hey, you got stickers down here too, bro. Hey,
Man, stickered out.
hey, that happened. I was stressed one day, and I forgot my trailer was back there.
You were stressed one day, so stickers make you feel good.
it's a dent I ain't got fixed yet, so hey.
Man, you
So-
never know if you just sticker bomb it.
So I pulled some stuff you might have seen like back in high school, like a 99 Civic front bumper.
Yeah.
I was like, But I'm like, truck stay moving all the time, so we gonna just cover that up.
It won't be much longer. He won't even be able to see out the back glass of his truck.
Oh shit. Yeah, I don't need it. Yeah, that was the back camera for. That was perfect size. Man, this shit fresh as fuck, man. Yeah, dude, I'm glad you decided I wanted these.
I saw you post on
Wheelson?
I was like, man, come by and get them.
Sure, I told the wife we got a pit stop to make right quick before I take you out.
Yeah. That's cool. So mine doing a burnout, and so is Kyle's Cadillac. You gonna put them ones on there? Go for it. I like this one more than the one with the GTO. That's just my
I'm gonna say. It looks a nice finish look too.
Yeah, that's in it. The GTC looks like the GTO logo.
Yeah, that's the
The girl that designed them for me, she did a good job. She actually just was around the corner.
Oh, so they made local.
She designed them. Kevin Lewis is the one that printed them though.
That's
Just
the one
sent
with
with the Genesis. Yeah, that's LSA.
with the clean
And then his
lollipop
wife,
green intake.
yeah, his wife's got that CTSV too.
Well, hell, you couldn't beat that, then. Shit.
I mean, he got me and Willie on this truck with the fast cars. Yeah, buddy.
I think I'm gonna be done now, y'all. That one probably coming out though.
One down low.
Yeah, you got some more room down here.
Did I give you the red one too? The 1320 figure?
Yeah, you gave me this one too. you gave me that one the night your shirts came
See,
in.
Kyle, that's why I always, anytime I pick up an order, I always text Kyle. I'm like, hey man, throw some more stickers in there for me.
Yeah. Yeah, I only put this one on there because it felt naked, but I'm about to put something cool right there. So
Yeah.
hopefully you guys
Send him some stickers.
we gotta find you a big wheel car now.
I got a NASCAR truck. I don't need a big old car.
We gotta
Look
find
at
you a
that.
big.
Ooh.
Hey, choo-choo. Hey, this is pretty cool, man. Hey, I'm doing YouTube, y'all. Oh, shit, man. Now y'all know. This is this truck. If somebody steal it, somebody in it, shoot it. Yeah, call the police, shoot it.
I got enough oil jugs that are empty.
Maybe. Diesel.
That's what it does at the racetrack. First. Only touching on the corner. You know what? I'm gonna unbox this new fan and turn it on. It's already hot. Oh, this definitely was returned at one point. Freaking Walmart. Smaller, maybe not. Oh, bro, it's like, oh, dude, it's destroyed. Yeah, we're taking this back. Dadgummit. That blade's not even gonna spin. Freaking Walmart got us on that one. That ain't gonna work. We have the Walmart receipts. This Ryan Womack guy, he just messaged me. He was like, bro, let's trade. This is his NASCAR. He's trying to sell it right now. I don't know what year it would be, but it's a ZL1. I like my truck though. Pretty wild. I like the Wrangler. Full filter. Can't remember what socket size it is. So, to play that game, just take all these down there because I know I'm not going to have the right one. But I'm so confused about that Walmart receipt. We just came home, realized that this fan was destroyed, and I don't have a clue what I did with that receipt. Like literally, we've been here for 5 seconds. You don't have a clue.
No.
This makes no sense at all.
I don't know where it went after he asked for the receipt.
It's not in your pocket?
Nope. Checked it already.
I was like, I think you showed him. Release the pressure. I'm waiting on my BTR valve covers to show up. The ones that I got, it was a little messed up, so they're sending me a fresh set, which I'm excited about. And I asked Justin Bird, I was like, hey man, you think you can get Brian Tooley to sign the driver's side? So we'll see. That'd be kind of cool. No, it's bigger than that. It must be a 15. I'm gonna go up there and grab me a 15, bud.
I'll be right back.
Alright, righty tighty, lefty loosey. God dang. Probably should have put gloves on. Black gold. It's hot out here. Like that? You're a real car guy if you do it like this. It looked like diesel oil, so I was like, I should probably do it. Woo. I almost just spilled that everywhere. That would have sucked. Alright. This was told to be used by Bert. I always have used Castrol GTX 20W50, so if this blows up, it's on you, Bert, and I'm going to need a 370 from Thompson, and yeah. So 6 quarts, here we go. I can do it without spilling it. After this, we'll be done. VR1, high performance racing oil. Well, we don't do any racing in this car. We just go to Kroger. Yeah. Down the hatch. All right, let me get this other quart. Ooh, don't drip on my hair. That's weird. These oils don't have a little...
Like the film over the top?
Well, no, a little metal piece. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the film. Other ones do. Sorry, I look like a rookie pouring this because I didn't pour it the right way. Gasping for air. I'm sweating. Brian's here. He made it. That other video where I posted, I was like, Brian's here and you're backing into the punk at Bucky's. Alright, so we made it to Boosie's. Brian made it. That's what I'm going to start doing. Anytime Brian shows up, I'm just going to be like, Brian's here. It's so bright out here. Brian's pulled up in his Regal. Logan just got him some wheels through Weld. Brian, what year is this Regal?
87.
So 87 Regal. Plans to do the swap, but it is really nice the way it is. The interior's in really good shape. It's a really good looking car. Did the Weld Venturas, 22s all the way around. What's the rear spec? 8.5 inch wide, because he didn't want to notch the frame. Might possibly still have to notch it. But freaking looks great. So yeah, we'll do some rollers of this and we'll let you do some videos, and then we'll get with Logan. Anytime anybody gets some wheels through Logan, he's gonna hook it up on price, which he has been doing. I think I've had like 4 or 5 of my friends buy some wheels. A couple of my friends have bought full sets of wheels. So the more you spend with him, the more he will help you. And then if you just want to come by the house, we'll make a video, we'll send it to him. He can put it on his personal page, and maybe it'll make it to the Weld website. You just never know.